Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 6 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. Firstly, open settings and scroll down. Now choose sound and vibration over here, scroll down again and tap on vibration and haptics. Over here you can turn on or off vibrations completely by tapping on the switcher next to use vibration and haptics. After that, click on Vibrate Phone Calls and select one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so I have to click on this option and go back. Over here, you can adjust intensity of vibrations for incoming calls, notifications, and touch vibrations by swiping left or right. When you're ready, go back, scroll all the way down and click on the switcher next to charging sounds and vibration to enable or disable them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!